Hello, this is R-I-C-K-Y, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so in my left hand I have my Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and in my right hand I have the Galaxy Note Lite, a device I honestly said was not going to probably come out just because we kept hearing rumors about it, but what purpose would it have and why would it come out now? Sure enough, it came out now. So this is really interesting. It's a Note 10 Lite, and it really just is a Note because of the pen, I would say. In terms of everything else, you do have a bit of a downgrade. Better than the S10 Lite we did another video on, but it is still a different boat. You do have a really big battery with 4,500, but the cameras, I would say, are going to be the biggest difference that I have noticed, besides losing some of the features. So with the cameras, you're going to have a difference of aperture, I would say, is going to be the biggest thing. We're used to having an f1.5 aperture. However, this one is going to have an f1.7, f2.2, and f2.4. And the front camera only has an f2.2. So the apertures aren't as good as what we've seen before from Samsung on their higher end devices, but everything else is. Processor's good. It's a little bit of an older Exynos, which I'm not sure why this one technically has a lower Exynos processor than the Snapdragon version on the S10 Lite. But in terms of RAM, in terms of storage, all that kind of stuff, it's a really solid pick. However, the thing I would say is that you're going to miss is the big one, wireless charging. That is a big thing for me that I absolutely love and use every single day. So I'm a little sad to see that go. However, waterproofing is going to be what other people might be concerned with. Overall, it all depends on what price this phone ends up being, because the price point is going to be key with this device, and I think it's going to make or break it. Let me know what you guys think and what price do you think this phone should be. This has been R-I-C-K-Y, the YouTube Tech Guy.
Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.